Good morning, Mike with Motivate Fabrication. Starting a new channel. Wanted to give a brief introduction to my shop. I built this shop about 8 years ago. I had the concrete done, but I did all the framing, all the electrical, and then I had the drywall done. Anyway, I'll just do a quick overview of, there's my at-home office. Quick overview of the tools in my shop. '50s Hendy lathe that I restored last year. 18-inch Grove vertical bandsaw. 30-ton press that I fabricated. J-head Bridgeport. Rockwell drill press. Quincy compressor. Horizontal bandsaw that I restored a few years back. Forklift. And a couple of projects that I'm going to be starting on here. Another Hendy lathe. This is an 18-speed. Needs a lot of work, but I think most of it's all there. This is only it's 12-speed, but it has a 2-speed motor. Top RPM on this one is 1195 with the 2-speed motor, but it's pretty noisy with auto feed engaged at anything above 600 RPM. But you'll probably see some videos of me working on this. And then I'm also working on a 2x72 grinder. Those are plans from Brian Housewort. Grinder's mostly finished. Picked this table up off of Marketplace. Plan to clean it up, paint it, mount the grinder in VFD. Machine my own drive wheel. And all my own platen wheels. And I'll be doing the adjustment mechanism here shortly. Welding table. Blacksmith's vise that I recently mounted. Beverly B3 shear that I recently restored. Picked it up off of Marketplace used. Tore it down, painted it, and it is mounted to the bench with a 2-inch receiver, so it can be removed. I have an anvil, MIG welder, acetylene torch. Workbench is kind of messy at the moment. Heat and AC. Keep an old truck in here. I heat my building with used oil. I use this vehicle to transport the oil from a local auto shop, which is then stored in the tank down by that small building, and there's a boiler in there, and I have hot water lines that go from that boiler into my house and in this shop. So I'm in the Midwest, it gets pretty cold. But that's an overview of my shop. If you have any questions, leave me comments below. See you next time.